So what is torque vision pre-processing and augmentation pipeline? So in deep learning, especially in computer vision, we don't feed raw images directly into a model. Instead, we process image so to make them consistent, augment images so we could create variations to improve learning, and automate everything using a pipeline. So the pipeline is built using transform that compose. Preprocessing pipeline, think of this like a factory assembly like for line for images. Like we have the transform that compose, we have transform that resize, transform that center crop, transform that to tensor, transform that normalize that I have in standard deviations. So the resize makes all images same size. For example, 10 by 24 by 768 resize them to 256 by 256. Why? Because models need consistent input size. And next is center crop. Cuts the center part of the image by 224 by 224. Why? To focus on the main object and to avoid the unnecessary things and noise. Next is to tensor. Convert image to PyTorch sensor. So also scales pixel values from 255 to 0 to 1 because mathematical computation needs tensor values. So let's next normalize, adjust pixel distribution using mean and standard deviation. Example, we have the following mean 0.485, 0.456, and 0.4600. For the 6, standard deviation 0.229, 0.224, and 0.225. Y makes training more stable, matches pre-trained models like ResNet. Next, Y is composed because it lets us to chain transformations, keep everything organized, and automatically apply to every image. So the keyword here is chain transformations. Right, that's why we could use that compose. So important, every time a data loader loads an image, this pipeline runs automatically. Next is data augmentation. This is very important. This is the most powerful idea here. So the problem, we don't have enough data. So the solution, create fake variations of our data. So the example of augmentation pipeline, of course, we still use the transform and compose because um, transform and compose um, create chain of transformations like that. Like we have random resize crop, transform the random horizontal flip, text transform color jitter, transform to tensor, transform the normalized mean standard deviations. So the key augmentation random resize graph randomly selects parts of image resize to 224 by 224, so the model learns object can appear anywhere. So let's is a random horizontal flip. So we said it's a 0.5 or 50% chance to flip, but the model learns left to right. It doesn't matter. Next is color jitter, randomly changes the brightness, contrast, saturation. So the model learns handle lighting changes. So the important idea, each transformation creates a new version of the same image. So your data set becomes virtually bigger. So why augmentation helps? Without augmentation, model memorizes, it could lead to overfitting. With augmentation, model generalizes better, having many variations of images without collecting um, different images. It creates only different variations. So next is custom transforms. You can create your own transform. Example, salt and pepper. Nice. Idea randomly turn some pixels white and black. Or salt to white or to 55 value or pepper 0 or black. So what happens is we copy image, pick random pixel positions, set some white, set some black, return new image, simulates noisy cameras, low quality images. Next is where everything connects. So from dataset to transform pipeline, the data loader to model. So transform is applied every time an image is loaded. So the final summary here is compose is a pipeline of image steps. Pre-processing is a clean and standardized images. Augmentation, clean variations. Custom transforms, build your own tricks. Next data loader automatically applies everything. So So the intention here is you're not just training on images, you're training on transformed versions of reality.